Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you all the laziest twist out I have ever done. As you all can see here, I am starting off with the middle part. I am going to make this middle part go all the way down my head. So for the first time ever, I am going to have that annoying middle part, but being that these twists are going to be super large, I am not too stressed about it. These summer months have really been testing me when it comes to having the energy to do my hair. So we are making it do what it do today. I'm using this Design Essentials moisturizing cream. I'll make sure everything is linked down below in the description box. But I am just working that product through every single hair strand because even though I am doing less twists, I do not want to skip out on moisturizing my hair. Thoroughly detangling, I am actually going to start off each twist with a plait. This is going to make sure that the roots are just a little bit flatter than just starting off with a twist. And once I braid down a few times, I am going to split one section and turn it into a 2-strand twist. And I am going to make sure that I twist all the way down to the ends and give my finger a little bit of coil to make sure that the ends are coiling on this hairstyle. First one is done. I am going to go ahead and do one more twist right above this section. If you need to add a little bit more water, please feel free to do so. I use a lot of water on my hair whenever I am styling, usually to spread the product through every single hair strand. I have found that sometimes without adding water, I am typically a little bit more heavy-handed with the product than what I need to be. And water is sometimes just a natural moisturizer you can use for your hair because our hair actually produces like a lot of oils by itself. But of course, make sure you detangle, start off with a braid, and then you can finish with the twist. This what makes this hairstyle more fast and quick for a very lazy wash day like today. And after completing one side, I went ahead and did the other side. As you all can see here, these twists actually look juicy, but they do not look cute at all, which is totally fine because I knew that this was a lazy hair week before going into it. By the way, I'm actually gearing up to actually get my hair braided for this summer. So as I was working up to going on vacation and getting these braids, I was just kind of like at my wit's end with my hair. And now that I have braids in, I'm actually ready to see my natural hair. So I don't know if you ever be in that situation where you're like, oh, I'm tired of doing my hair, and then you actually miss your hair once you get something done to it. Yep, that's me today. But as you all can see, I added some perm rods to my ends because I just wanted to make sure that I was going to get enough curl definition to make this hairstyle last. And as you all can see here as well, I do have some shrinkage. I always look for shrinkage when I am styling my hair because it lets me know that my hair still has some curl integrity to it. So I am just separating, and I'm separating where my hair naturally wants to separate. I know that every single curl is not going to look perfect, but I at least want it to look uniform. Here's one side pretty much down. As you all can see, I have volume, a little bit of frizz, but also some definition. And for me, I can work with this for the rest of this week. I have some styles already in my mind to make it to Friday. Edge control, I'm actually going to use this curl definer by Talia with G. As you all know, I have been trying this product out in pretty much like my last two videos. It definitely has a nice hold to it, but you do not experience any flaking with this product, which is one of the reasons why I decided to go for this product, because I knew I was going to be using a lot on the perimeter of my hair. So I'm just smoothing that product in, and then I am actually going to wear a headband on day one just to make sure that my hair is out of my face for the week. And for some extra security, I did tie my edges down to make sure that they would stay set in place all day. And I wore my hair like that for about 2 days, and then I switched over to a high puff, and I wore this high puff probably for like 1 day. I am kind of in that stage, y'all, where I actually don't really like high puffs anymore. I feel like they put like a lot of tension on the perimeter of my hair, but you all know it is a very easy hairstyle to rock when you are just not having the best hair day. So here I am. As you all can see, my hair has been stretched. I am just adding water to my hair, and I'm actually going to use this middle part that I could find throughout my hair, and I am going to do a low ponytail on both sides of my head, and then you all will see me combine them into a neat bun. Splitting my hair down the middle, in my opinion, helps prevent my hair from getting super tangled. Whenever I do low ponytails or low buns, I always seem to get like a lot of tangled strands in the middle of my head. So hence, I just decided to split my hair down the middle. And I am going to finish this section off with a twist, and then I'll do the same thing to the other side of my head. And once both are secured, I am going to use a flattering scrunchie just to combine it. If you want to be simple and just use another black hair tie, you can do that, or just a black scrunchie, it is fine. But me, on the other hand, sometimes I just try to have like a little festiveness in the back of my head. I'm going to slit my edges down a little bit. I've been really doing a lot to these edges this week, but again, you all, I'm struggling until I can get these braids. And I'm just going to tie my hair down, let it set, and then you'll see the final touches. So this is like 1 week with me in complete laziness when it comes to hairstyling. As always, I really hope you all find some usefulness to these videos, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. See ya.